Hi, Matt Hopkins, Ideal Products here. Today we want to share with you one of our Epicenter 2000 series lockers. This open-face athletic locker is great for high school, college, or professional sports teams. This particular locker is 24 inches wide, 24 inches deep, and 72 inches tall. The entire unit is made out of A1 plain sliced red oak veneer. This locker has our stained 214 white and a clear satin finish on it. You've got contoured sides. You've got lift-up padlockable storage with some vent slots, 2 double-pronged side coat hooks, a nickel-plated coat rod. We also have a security vault with a built-in dial combination lock and a satin chrome recessed number disc. It's our Epicenter 2000 series. Thanks for watching the video and have a great day.